And Eileen, earlier we were dealing with some stronger winds, and this was how it looked in Citrus Heights. This 40-foot oak tree came down. Our Mike Lurie was out there earlier today, and as you can see, this tree did come down. During the early morning hours, we were seeing winds gust up around 40, 45 miles an hour. A lot of you probably were trying to sleep last night and just hearing those winds howl. This is just one of a number of trees that are down in the area. And again, this was Citrus Heights. Actually, the work crews made pretty quick work of this. I think they had all of that cleared up in about 45 minutes or so, and as you can see, that was just after sunrise. Also getting some new pictures in from the McKinley Park area of East Sacramento. The local residents there jokingly refer to this as Lake McKinley. It is the water has been backed up in this area, and as you can see, the water is pretty deep around there. That's again part of the evidence of that heavy downpour that we had around 8 o'clock this morning. And as you can see, that person walking through there, the water a little bit more than ankle deep. So yes, and the road is blocked off in that area. A lot of pictures.